joining me tonight from this morning from Patna is Ashok Chaudhary, Minister in the Nitish Cabinet. And Ashok Chaudhary जी, आज पूछना चाहती हूँ, बाल दिवस है, लोग बाल दिवस मनाएं या नीतीश कुमार दिवस मनाएं, 20 साल की एंटी इनकम्बेंसी. डू यू थिंक नीतीश कुमार मोदी कॉम्बो विल वर्क वंस अगेन इन बिहार?
Definitely. It is not. It is already working because the vote has already been packed in the EVM. So I think that today is Children's Day also, and today is NDA Day also. So the combo of Nitish and Modi is working very strongly.
You are saying votes are in the EVM, but the RJD is saying that the EVMs have been programmed by you. And they are saying कि अगर जितने भी अफसर वहां लगाए गए हैं, if they do not count votes properly, there will be a Nepal-like situation. I want to ask you, has the administration put pressure on the officials in Bihar?
No. There is no pressure, and there is never been a pressure on officials in Bihar because there is observers, there is election commission, there is a court, and there is already a hardcore journalist and the portal. They are working very strong in the field, so nobody can do any hanky-panky. There is some confusion, and they are creating a perception that in 2020 the government officers had done a little bit of haywire, but I don't think so. Nobody has got the guts to do this.
Well, hold on. Please stay with me. Please stay with me, sir, because the first leads have begun to come in. 4 leads for the NDA, 3 for the Mahagathbandhan, 1 for Jan Suraj Party. The leads coming in, postal ballots. Mokama lead for JS.
Anand Singh leading from Mokama.
Oh, okay. So that is also NDA. 4 leads for the NDA and 3 for the Mahagathbandhan. It's going to be an interesting election. But Ashok Chaudhary ji, last evening there was a meeting between a senior BJP leader in Bihar, Chief Secretary, and that raised eyebrows. I want to ask you once again. Shenanigans 2020 style is what the RJD has accused you of.
No, that is not correct. Meeting somebody, because if you are known to someone and going and meeting, I don't think so. There is a BJP and officers meeting has been done. Meeting with somebody on a personal level, going to somebody's place, having a long relationship. So that is a different thing, but having some kind of a meeting or some kind of a agenda.
चलिए, अगर आप जानते हैं और मीटिंग्स आम बात है, तो आप नीतीश कुमार जी से मिले आज? नीतीश कुमार जी कहाँ हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, आज तो नहीं मिल पाया. नीतीश जी तो very much in the home and relaxed, having his daily routine happening. Must be
last कब बात हुई थी आपकी उनसे?
Yoga and morning walk early in the morning.
लास्ट कब आपकी बात हुई थी?
कल शाम में.
तो क्या बोले आपसे कल शाम को?
कल शाम में by say 5. Comfortable, he is quite comfortable.
और डर तो नहीं है कि अगर बीजेपी के ज्यादा नंबर आ गए तो उन्हें मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनाया जाएगा, ऐसी कोई चिंता?
No, coach. Abhi to, now the result will come. Result will show everything. But we know that there is no vacancy for Chief Minister. Nitish Kumar is going to be the Chief Minister.
Ashok Chaudhary, thank you very much.